which member of the Final Five did not make the VMAs last night? Well, it was Gabby Douglas, and unfortunately, she didn't miss the show by choice. Gabby had to miss the VMAs due to a seriously infected mouth injury that landed her in the hospital. Douglas is recovering now, and she posted this photo of her in the hospital room with the caption, "Out of the hospital and resting comfortably. Final Five, so sad I can't be with you all to present tonight at MTV. Thank you, hashtag VMAs and hashtag my view." Now, the Final Five wasn't complete at the VMAs without Douglas. She was set to present the Best Female Video Award with the Final Five during the show, and her teammates were definitely thinking of her. Simone Biles revealing to People, "I think she's feeling a little better, but she's staying home as a precaution. We're sad she couldn't be here to enjoy this with us. We miss her."
Fans are speculating whether Kylie underwent plastic surgery during her hiatus. The model's cleavage appears noticeably larger in her snaps. But in a Twitter Q&A later on, Kylie set the record straight. She told one fan that she would